There is more fun, no worries. We are currently just cruise mode. So, with your left foot on the brake pedal, maximum, and your right foot, you step on the accelerator to the full. Yes, yeah. Both feet need to be down. So completely brake, complete throttle.
Yes.
It's
Complete.
Yes, now we are in launch control mode, okay?
Okay.
Okay. When I go 3, 2, 1, you jump off the brake. You ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Excellent. And brake. Completely. Yes, very nice.
Wow, I did it.
Okay, that was the first time. Now we'll do it 10 more times. I'm joking.
Wonderful. Good feeling. A safe feeling.
Yeah.
A safe feeling. To drive this car.
A lot of power, but also a lot of control.
Yes. The safety. Woo! Wow, that was crazy!